Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make homemade almond milk. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ramona Lazard, and in my YouTube channel you're going to learn anything and everything about fitness and functional nutrition for chronic pain. In this video I'm going to show you how to make homemade almond milk. So almond milk is a great substitution for people that have like a sensitivity to dairy, such as milk, and this is a great way to make something that's going to be very beneficial for you at the comfort of your home. And so the ingredients you need is whole almonds, okay, and 2 cups of water, and then a mason jar. And then you're going to need a cup of almonds. Alright, so you put the cup of almond into your mason jar. You take the 2 cups of water and you're going to pour that into that mason jar. And so when you get it all the way in there, you have your water and your almonds. And so you'll get a lid on that. And so now you have your almond and your water in the same container, and you have it topped off. And so you're going to put that in the refrigerator for overnight so the almonds can sprout out, and then you can be able to blend that the next day to get your smoothness and consistency of the almonds, and you can add some date for a natural sweetening. Alrighty guys, stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Dr. Ramona Lazard. So it's day 2 for how to make the almond milk. So it's set overnight, and so they're nice and plump. I'm going to filter this out. I'm going to throw out the water and then put filtered water. And I'm going to use 2 cups of water. That's going to be filtered. And I'm going to use some dates. I'm going to blend it all together. So everyone, I'm just rinsing out the almonds here. Just with the cold water. You can see how nice and plump they are. So just getting them, rinsing them very well. Just need something that has holes in it to get them clean. Okay, so I have the almonds in the blender, and I'm going to take some dates. As you can see, they're whole dates. I got the one without the pitting in it, so I don't want that pit inside. So I'm just going to put 4 whole ones, and they are organic. Okay, and then I have 2 cups of water here. Pour that in there. Okay, you can add cinnamon powder if you would like. You can add that too as well. You can also use vanilla extract for a sweetener. So I'm going to get this sealed. And it's going to become loud, so I'm going to start off low. And it together like that. So you want to make sure it's smooth and you don't really have a whole lot of clumps in there. Typically after it settles, sometimes it'll get a little bit thicker. So you can always add a little bit more water, and then you can blend that together to make it a little bit more thinner for you. Alright guys, I'm going to do a taste test on this. It's thick. Mine's a little bit thinner. Very good. Very good. So try this at home. Let me know. Comments below how it went for you. Show me pictures. I would love to see that. Also let you know I do help women 50 and over to move freely and fearless while managing chronic pain. Especially people that are having aching and stiff joints. That is typically caused by a lot of variation of diseases. I am looking to help you through fitness and also with nutrition. So please schedule a free 30-minute wellness assessment so that we can definitely dive deeper into the best plan for you. And I definitely would love for you guys to say hello to me. So definitely comment in the box below, and so I'll have all my information in the description box below too as well. And remember, make sure you share this, tell a friend, and smile today. You take care, everybody. Bye.